Hello everyone, welcome back to 3D CAD tutorials. Today we will learn how we can use the thin feature, extrude thin feature as well as the extrude feature and extrude cut feature. But we can use, when we are having a equal thickness, we can use the thin feature. When we are having the additional thickness, we can add later, or we can draw a complete sketch and we can extrude this profile. So here what I will do, I will use the thin feature and afterwards I will add the material to increase the thickness and I will just use the extrude cut option. Let us move to the SolidWorks workbench. So here what I will do, I will just select the right side plane, insert sketch, then select the line command, then use this line and draw a sketch approximate to the given profile, then provide the given dimension. This is the internal dimension. So here I am assuming, so here this is 35 millimeters, so and this height is 25 millimeters and this one is 64 millimeters. So after this I will go to feature extrude boss or base. So here what I will use, I will use mid plane and I will just take this as a thin feature. In two direction also we can take, and if you take two direction the sketch will be in two direction, inside as well as outside. I will take one direction, that is outside I will take. Here I will take this thickness as 10 millimeters and the extruding length is 40 millimeters. Okay, then say okay. So here we have created this one. If you want to create a complete sketch, you have to offset this sketch, then draw this line, this line. This is how you can do. So now what I will do, I will insert sketch, now make normal to, and I will convert entity, this face, convert entity. So then what I will do, I will just drag this, sorry, if not possible you draw a line or you can just offset this one. So instead of chain you select a single line. The how much you want to offset is 14 millimeters. Okay, to the up direction. So here 14 millimeters, say okay. Then here also you can trim this one, otherwise you can just use, if you are working for conceptual, no need to remove that one. Select this face and the overall thickness is, already we have extruded 10 millimeters, required is 8 millimeters. This is this one and say okay. So this is how we have done. Then select this face or this face, then select this insert sketch and draw the circle for extrude cut. So from here to here you need, this is having, they have provided from the base. So here you can give dimension from top or bottom anywhere. So here you delete this one, so you can make this one normal too, and you can make this wireframe. And if you take from here to, because every time we will not get the edges at the single face. We can take any references from here. They've given 34 and the given diameter is 26 millimeters. 26 millimeters. So now what I will do, so now we have to centralize this one. So if you see, this sketch can be moved in horizontal direction. So here what I will do, I will select this center point and this midpoint and make this line vertical, because even though I change this length to any number, it will be centralized here only. Go to extrude cut and you can give the blind dimension through all also given. At that time this will also get effect if there is an interference. So up to next you can give, otherwise you can just double click on this surface, up to surface, select this one and say okay. So this is how you can model by using thin feature, as well as this is useful when you are doing conceptual things, but when you are designing uh, component for industry, or it's in a real part, then you have to provide all dimensions. So thanks for watching. If you are happy with this my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.